accelerator pump on this carb. It runs like a bag of poo. Let's get a rebuild kit. This is a nice 750 vacuum secondary carb that's on here, and the reason we're playing with this is because our 6-pack is still not ready. After 5.5 months of waiting, we are still waiting. I'm not going to go through the whole procedure on how to rebuild a carb. You guys can figure that out yourself. I just wanted to point out all the crap in this carburetor. And yeah, surprisingly it ran like poo. Who would have guessed? But our gas nowadays is pretty shitty, so it's kind of expected. It's full of chunkies and floaties. Yay, yummy. Needless to say, after we put the rebuild kit in, the car's running really good. It's amazing what a new car kit can do. Anywho, talk to you soon.